Precision Planting System, the ultimate seed user that knows just how to plant those crops with precision, making every row look like a work of art. Injection molding machine, used to produce plastic parts by injecting molten material into a mold cavity. Water jet cutter is a machine that uses a high-pressure jet of water mixed with an abrasive substance to cut through various materials. Crop imaging system, technology that captures detailed images of crops, providing insights into their health, growth, and potential issues. Vertical farming system, taking farming to new heights, literally. It's like a skyscraper for veggies, where plants are the true high-rise residents. Industrial robot is a programmable machine designed to manipulate objects or perform tasks with a high degree of autonomy in industrial environments. Robotic harvester, the handy-dandy fruit ninja that can pick produce faster than you can say. Aren't you glad we have robots? Industrial vibrator, a device that generates vibrations to facilitate various industrial processes such as compacting, screening, or conveying materials. Soil moisture sensor is a device used to measure and monitor moisture levels in the soil, helping farmers optimize irrigation practices. Smart irrigation system, the water whisperer that knows when, where, and how much to water, making plants happier than a fish in a sprinkler. Industrial sewing machine is a heavy-duty sewing machine used for stitching thick or multiple layers of fabrics in industrial settings. Die casting machine is an equipment used to produce metal parts by injecting molten metal into a die cavity under high pressure. Industrial dryer is used to remove moisture or dry materials on a large scale, often in industrial or commercial settings. Hay bale collector, the biggest fan of round bales, swooping them up like a giant vacuum cleaner and giving cows the best rolls in town. Industrial mixer is an equipment used for blending, mixing, or combining different materials or substances in large quantities. Industrial kiln, a high-temperature oven or furnace used for firing or hardening materials, such as ceramics, glass, or metals. Industrial compressor is a device that increases the pressure of air or gas for various industrial applications, such as powering pneumatic tools or operating machinery. Industrial chiller, a machine that removes heat from liquids or gases commonly used in industrial cooling systems. Industrial welding machines are used to join or fuse metal parts together through various welding processes. Nutrient injection system, an equipment that injects fertilizers or other nutrients directly into irrigation water, ensuring precise and targeted application. Crop monitoring and management software integrates data from various sources to provide real-time insights for optimizing crop management decisions. Automated fruit sorting machine uses advanced sensors and algorithms to sort fruits based on size, color, and quality criteria. Automatic poultry feeder, a device that automatically dispenses feed to poultry, ensuring a consistent and controlled feeding schedule. Fruit packing machine, an equipment designed to sort, grade, and pack fruits into containers or packages for efficient processing and distribution. Robotic milkers are automated systems that attach to dairy cows and extract milk, improving efficiency and reducing labor in milking operations. Soil analyzer is a device that analyzes soil composition and properties, providing data on nutrient levels, pH, and organic matter content. Crop thresher is a machine that separates grains or seeds from harvested crops such as wheat, rice, or corn. Genetic engineering machine, a tool used to modify the genetic makeup of organisms, allowing for precise manipulation of DNA and potential advancements in healthcare, agriculture, and more.